In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create 3D text in Figma. 3D text effect in Figma. We'll walk through using a plugin that makes bold dimensional lettering quick to set up and easy to customize. All from right inside your Figma workspace. Start by opening Figma. To reach the plugin menu quickly, press Ctrl and the / key together to open the command palette. In the search field, type 3D text viz. Then open and run the plugin. This will bring up a dedicated panel where all the controls live, so you can build and preview your 3D text in real time. Once the plugin is open, head to the Transform section. Type the text you want to turn into 3D. Right below, use the sliders to dial in the look. The size slider changes the overall font size for your 3D object. Depth controls how far the letters extrude, which gives them that solid, dimensional body. Lower values feel subtle and flat. Higher values look chunkier and more dramatic. For rotation, you'll see X, Y, and Z. Think of X as tilting forward and backward. Y as turning side to side and Z as spinning the text like a clock hand. A small adjustment here can add perspective and make the word feel more dynamic without warping it too far. Next, switch to the Style tab. This is where you set color and material. Color will define both the face and the body of your text, while material influences how light interacts with the surface. A glossy or metallic material will show brighter highlights and sharper reflections. A matte material will feel softer and more understated. Choose a combination that complements your design while keeping the text readable. Then move to the Light tab. Increase or decrease the light intensity to brighten or darken the overall look. Adjust the light's X and Y direction to shift the highlights and shadows across the text. This is a powerful way to emphasize edges, add depth, and create contrast. Subtle changes often look more natural, so nudge these sliders until the lighting feels balanced. When you are happy with the result, go to the Export tab. Select the format that suits your project. Then click Add to Figma. The plugin will place the rendered 3D text onto your canvas as an asset you can use in your layout. Back on the canvas, you can adjust the size by dragging the handles. Just like any other object. Position it where you need it, and your 3D text effect is ready to go. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.